Hello and welcome to TWST Copier, your destination for automated trading bots and a free account copier designed to help traders work smarter, not harder.
If you're managing multiple trading accounts, speed and precision matter. Download TWST Copier for free now. TWST Copier synchronizes your trades in real time across NinjaTrader 8. Clean execution, professional control, no complexity.
In this video here, we started with 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. And we're going to show the difference in entries. So this entry here would have been 256.28. Close at this bar and give you an idea what 2 hours look like from roughly 3 a.m. It shot all the way up to this time at close to 10 o'clock. So let's change this time. Let's go 1 hour, which is 60 minutes.
Warning. Please reload the strategy to apply this new setting.
Reloading, calculating. Let's see, we change it to 60 minutes. A little higher on your entry, more entries. Previous one was less because you only had 2 entries from 3 o'clock in that morning to around 10 o'clock here. And let's go down some more. You'll see more entries as you go down in the time. Go 30 minutes.
Warning. Please reload the strategy to apply this new setting.
Get a little bit more. Got one here, and here, and one here. By the way, these are the zones. This areas, small area here. And let's go to another one. As we go down, we get more entries. And let's go to 10 minutes.
Warning. Please reload the strategy to apply this new setting.
See, you get more entries in and out. Go down a little further. Let's do 8 minutes.
Warning. Please reload the strategy to apply this new setting.
See, the entry gets higher on this short, lower on this entry for long. Get more entries here and here and here and here. Mind you, this is pre-market. Then when the market open here, get the crazy movement going up and down. And then you get this nice short with a 1 contract movement. You get an entry here, get a movement, you get an entry here to close this bar. So even if you start at 930, you have nice movement to recapture any losses. But I don't recommend to start off right at open. Probably 940. 940, you would have got a shot here. And then if you took profit early or you let it exit, you'd have got another chance here to make profit. For using one contract. And here would have definitely made up a lot. As you see, one contract equals that much. So many different ways of doing this. Also, let's show you the bars per signal. Right now it's at 1, but you'll see a 1 here. I'm going to increase this, say 5 bars.
Successfully saved settings.
I'm going to reload it so it could show you right away.
Ready to take your trading to the next level? TWST Copier gives you instant trade copying with built-in risk guard, multi-account support, and clear performance tracking. It's fast, secure, and designed for prop firms and funded accounts.
And as you see, you got a 5 here. Let's do another one.
Successfully saved settings.
Reload it. And as you see, you got a 20. So as you increase that, you get 20 chances, 20 bars to get in. On the 1 minute chart, you probably only need mostly 5 because you're just dealing with the movement of 1 minute per bar.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next. See you next time.